Next problem under 2 mark sessions on straight lines from model paper 3. Find the angle between the lines y minus root 3x minus 5 equals 0 and root 3y minus x plus 6 equals 0. There are two lines with slopes m1 and m2. And if theta is the angle between these two intersecting lines, then we know one formula. This, of course, important. Proof is also important from the point of view of exam. We know that tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2, where theta is the angle between the lines. Now, what is m1? m1 is the slope of the first line. How to find the slope? You can simply use the formula m equals minus a by b to find the slope, which I have already discussed under 1 marks session. So, looking at the equation of the first line, now let me write down the slope. Minus, that minus sign. What is a? A is the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? Minus root 3 divided by coefficient of y, that is 1. So, m1 equals just root 3. And m2 is again same formula for the other. A is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 1 divided by b. What is b? Coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is root 3. So you get this as minus 1 by root 3. Okay. So now tan theta equals, let me substitute in the formula, 1 minus m2. What is m1? Root 3 minus of m2 minus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus m1. m1 is root 3 into m2 minus 1 by root 3. So this becomes modulus of root 3 minus x plus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1, because root 3 cancel. So it is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 divided by 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the meaning of that? That means that we are getting tan theta as 0 implies theta is equal to 90 degree. Because you all know that tan 90 is equal to infinity and anything divided by 0 is infinity. So tan theta is equal to infinity. Tan theta is equal to not 0 here, it is infinity. Anything divided by 0 is infinity. So we are getting tan theta is equal to infinity implies theta is equal to 90 degree. I said 0 in the denominator. Anything upon 0 is infinity. So theta is 90 degree. Therefore, the angle between the two given lines is 90 degree. Or otherwise, you can even simply check here itself. The slope of one line is root 3. Slope of another line is minus 1 by root 3. Take the product of the slopes. Root 3 into minus 1 by root 3 gives minus 1. Since the product of the slopes is equal to minus 1, you can as well say here itself that the lines are perpendicular to each other, or the angle between the lines is 90 degree.